This is the best tent for camping in the rain. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell button for more videos like this.
Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking in detail at the new CampPros 9-person tent. So after you have everything out of the bag, this is what it's going to look like. You have the nice big tent surface. This is the dividing wall if you decide to use that. This is going to be the rain fly. The long package there, that is the poles, and the small package is the stakes. Step 1 is empty the bag and confirm all parts are included and undamaged. Step 2, stake 4 corners of the tent on the ground first. Assemble the tent poles. Insert the body poles and side poles into the pole sleeves. Connect poles to the tent with the pins and the grommets. Attach clips along the edges of the tent to body poles. Step 3, put the rain fly on top of the tent. Connect the S-hooks. Put the rain fly pole C to expand the tent. Step 4, stake down tent corners through the stake rings. Adjust the sliders to make sure the guy lines are tight. Now that we have the tent built, let's go ahead and take a look inside. This tent has the dimensions of 16 feet wide by 9 feet deep by 6 feet tall, which means technically you could put 3 queen-size mattresses that are 5 by 7 right inside here. Also, if you're under 6 feet tall, you're not going to have to bend over when you're walking around in here, which is a huge plus. This tent is made with a high-quality 185T polyester with a polyurethane hydrostatic rated coating. It has a large mesh door, 3 mesh windows, and a mesh top that allows the breeze to come in but keeps the bugs out. It also includes an electrical access point, mesh pockets, a lantern hook, stakes, guy lines, and a carrying bag. There are multiple ways that you can actually put the tent back into the bag. This is the way I do it. Whatever the width of your poles is how wide you want your tent to be in a line. And then we're just going to roll it up. If you don't already own a CampPros 9-person tent, we highly recommend it. You won't be disappointed. If you do own one, we look forward to seeing you out on the trail. Happy camping, everyone.